y'all. I'm getting ready for my trip to London. Super excited. I'm trying to capture everything I'm doing so I can share this with you on my vlog. So here's what I'm starting with. This is kind of my basic. I'm going to be there all day Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, possibly Sunday. So I kind of want to show you what I'm packing. And then we'll see after my trip how it worked out. So I've got this nice warm jacket. It's got a kind of a flannel lining, and it's got a hood, which I think we'll need because it gets drizzly there in London. I've got two of these kind of thinner but long sleeve, and they do keep you warm, long sleeve shirts, and then the undershirts just to go underneath them. And I have this little lightweight sweater to go over with a scarf. And then, so that way I'm layering with the jacket. I can always remove the jacket, of course, if it gets too hot. But drizzly, and the high will not even probably hit 60, so I think I'm good. These here are a little bit warmer, the pink and the kind of burgundy color, and they too have an undershirt, and I've got two pair of jeans. So I think we should be good there. I packed some extra socks and underwear, of course, just in case. And I only am taking one pair of black tennis shoes because I'm choosing comfort over style right now. My feet will kill me. I know I'll be walking a million miles. And of course I have my camera. That's a must. And this is the backpack I'm taking. It will be equipped with an umbrella, of course, and a neck pillow for the plane. I'm super excited to try the Be Cozy neck pillow, and I will be doing a little chat about that on my vlog so you guys can see if it's something you want to purchase for your next 10-hour trip. Yikes, 10 hours. Guys, this is a must as well. I call this my zapper. It's the Pure Pulse Pro. I got it on Amazon. Literally maybe 40 bucks, 45. Anyways, I give my muscles a little stimulation when they're sore, and it relieves back pain and neck pain too, so I think we're good with that. I got my GoPro set up here with all my camera equipment, cards and chargers, etc. Snacks are a must. Chargers, this is important. I hope that this stays on. But I've got the converter here. I've got my chargers for my GoPro, but this is a plug-in because in Europe, order it on Amazon, guys. You're going to have it. You have to have it. It's a different cord. So you have to have one that plugs into their wall so that you can plug in your cord as well. And the other important thing I got, and it's in my suitcase, is a dual voltage curling iron. If you take your regular curling iron, guess what happens? It fries. All right. I'm going to update you more in just a bit. But I just wanted to get you started. It looks like my battery's running low, so it's telling me to die. Don't forget your cell phone loaded with some important apps that I have for me. Let's see, I've got my London. These are the apps that I have for London. Might be some that you would be interested in. Anyways, and make sure that you use WhatsApp so that you can text for free in airplane mode. And if you're in Wi-Fi zones, then you can talk for free as well by going into your settings and going into your phone. If I can find it here, I will show you guys. Go into your phone in your settings, and then you enable Wi-Fi calling right there. And if you do that with airplane mode off, guys, and connect to Wi-Fi, you'll get free phone calls and FaceTime while you're in another country with that. So other than that, I'm packing light as I can possibly pack, because who wants to carry a whole bunch of stuff when you're going through customs in London? I will keep you posted how everything is going, and hey, thanks for going on this trip with me. I think it's also smart to throw in some gloves, and these you can use with your phone. They got the nice fingertips. And I'm in a under warm shirt, like it's a heat shirt. I got it at Costco. Love them. They keep you really warm. So if it's freezing, I'm going to be glad I have it. So there you go. And I opted out of the maroon outfit, and I'm just going to narrow it down. This will be my plain outfit with a cute mustard scarf. And I'm going to roll my clothes and put them in these nifty e-bags, and I love these, and they pack nicely, and you can organize your outfits for the day. So that's helpful. I hope, wow, I can't even speak. Hope that is helpful advice for you for when you travel next. It is a great thing to have these little things. They come in all different sizes, and I put my cords in the small one and chargers and everything, and then the larger one for clothes and things like that, and a little bit like the medium ones for underwear, socks, and that kind of stuff. You can see I've got 1, 2, 3 days worth in here, plus gloves, an extra scarf, and my heat shirt, all in one bag, and they're organized, and I roll everything together. So my undershirt, the cami, and then I roll it right up in with the shirt so I know what I'm wearing. Pretty cool. So these are the necessities. You might want to get a little bit of cash though. If you get a credit card that does not, like the Citibank card offers through Costco, no transaction fees, and you get 3% back on everything you spend. So you can actually go to an ATM and get cash out there. Wish I would have done that, but you want some cash to travel with. Of course, you need your passport, headphones for on the plane, glasses in case you need to see, like me. Flashlights are always good to have. Learn that as a flight attendant, and don't forget your phone. Make sure you back everything up before you leave. Always a good idea. And I have this nifty little bag I got when I was a flight attendant. And I have extra pads for my, what I call my zapper. Also, don't forget a little hat, because it's cold. I'm throwing in a sweatshirt and your jammies. Make sure you put your liquids in plastic bags. Don't forget your snacks in your backpack. This is how these London bedrooms look. Hotel rooms. I don't know why I call it a bedroom, but I did not sleep very good, so I went to bed, woke up at like midnight, and was up till almost 4 in the morning, and then I went back to sleep at like 6, and then I just have been crawling out of bed at like 8:30 because I'm all messed up in my sleep. These are the tiny bathrooms. They're kind of cute. Their toilets are all square. Look at that. So this is shorty-torty bedrooms in London. This is actually a big room, I think, compared to many. But anyways, thanks for going on my trip with me today. And we're starting it out by waking up. So we'll see you out there on the streets. Gonna go see Tower of London and probably Camden Market and some of the museums today. So here's a quick tip for those of you like me who are wondering what to do with your hair. Curling irons don't plug in here because this is what the outlets look like in London. So don't bring a blow dryer. Most hotels will already have them anyways. What I did is, this curling iron is called a dual voltage curling iron, which means I don't need to plug a converter in to convert it into the power source to make it possible to use without frying it. So this, because it's dual voltage, it's the Conair. You can find it on Amazon. Look for dual voltage. All you need is this little fancy nifty thing. It plugs in right here. You saw me unplug it. It's a little bit tweaked to get in there, but it works. And then this has all kinds of different things. So you go to different countries, it has the different plugs for them. It's a perfect little tool to have, very inexpensive, also at Amazon. Just wanted to share that tip with you because I know your hair's important when you're on the go.